Hi family, and welcome back to Nancy's Cuisine. Hope you all are doing amazing. So fam, today I'm going to be showing you how to fry ripe plantain the right way. Fried plantain is a very common compliment found in a lot of parties and even at home. Today, I decided to bring this recipe just to show you how to fry plantain the right way. A lot of times we fry plantains and they be feeling like chips. You go to a party and all on the table just looks so dry. So what you want to do today is to peel your plantain neatly, and then we're going to cut it as so. You want to make sure the pieces be thick enough. Cut it however you want. You could do different shapes, but what is important is the thickness of the plantain. One thing about plantain is the presentation. So the reason why I cut it the way I'm doing is just so that once I'm done, I could line it neatly on a tray. You just want to make sure that the food looks appetizing even before your guests take a bite. After that is done, fam, you have two options: either adding a little bit of salt or just frying your plantain as it is. So fam, the next thing we're going to be doing is deep fry our plantain. You want to make sure you put enough oil so the plantain could fry on both sides at the same time without you necessarily turning and flipping it all the time. So fam, you have to control your oil in a way that there is a balance, because if the oil is too hot, your plantain is going to get burned on the outside and then it will not be cooked on the inside. And also, if your oil is not hot enough, the plantains are going to soak oil. Fry your plantain on medium to high heat until it is golden brown. I hope this video was helpful. If you have other tips, please make sure to drop them in the comment section. Go ahead and give yourself a treat. You could eat this with some stew or roasted fish. Thank you so much for being with me throughout this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and drop a comment below. Take care. I'll see you in our next video. God bless you. Bye.